Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide and unhide chats on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. So if you want to hide or unhide chats on Facebook Messenger, what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook Messenger application. After opening up your Facebook Messenger application, now in order to hide a chat, what you can do is just simply archive that chat. For example, with this chat, if I'll just tap and hold on to that chat, you will find a pop-up menu, and from there you can find an option which is archive. What you can do is just tap on it, and after tapping on it you will successfully hide that chat. And now in order to unhide that chat, what you can do is just tap on the three-part icon which is on the top left corner of your screen, and after tapping on that icon, now in order to unhide that chat, what you can do is just tap on archive. So after tapping on archive, you will find all the chats that you have archived, which means hidden. So what you can do to unhide them is to just unarchive. So what you can do is just tap and hold on to that profile and then tap on unarchive. And after tapping on unarchive, you have successfully unhidden them. So you have to keep in mind that if an archived person sends you a message, it will be automatically turned to unarchived and it will be unhidden. So that's it guys, this is how to hide and unhide chat on Facebook Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.